Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hey, what's up guys, meet with me again in New CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to forward emails to Gmails. Okay, in this tutorial, for example, you have a website or you have a domain, then you create a business email account, then you want to forward all inbox or incoming message forward to your Gmail account. How to do that? Okay, first, in your cPanel, in here, or in this case I'm using cPanel. For example, I want to create an email account from one of my domain in here. For example, this is my domain. I want to create my mail, for example, is news at moviesnearme.xyz. Then I create password like this. Then I read type my password, and this is my mailbox quota. I will create account in here. Okay, my email is news at moviesnearme.xyz. In this case is my moviesnearme.xyz is my domain. Now I'm go back in my C funnel in here. In the email, in the email menu in here, you can see this is forwarders. Click the forwarders, then I just click my moviesnearme.xyz domain, and then I need to click add forwarder here. Okay, this is my domain that I just created for email. This is news. Okay, you can see this is my email, news at moviesnearme.xyz, that we just created. I want to forward in for example in my Gmail. newsenc at gmail.com, like this. Okay, then I click add forwarder here. You can see all emails sent to news at moviesnearme.xyz will now be copied or forwarded to newsenc at gmail.com. It's mean guys, if you have mailbox or incoming message from news at moviesnearme.xyz mail, the message will copy or send forward to our account Gmail. In this case is newsenc at gmail.com. Okay, that's just tutorial how to forward email to Gmail. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Bye bye.